SpaceX, a name that echoes across the cosmos. Most people know it for launching rockets, reusing boosters, and Elon Musk's bold vision to colonize Mars. But behind the viral clips and big headlines, there are some truly mind-blowing things about SpaceX that hardly anyone knows. In this video, we're diving into 5 real secrets about SpaceX that will make you see the company in a completely new light. And trust me, number 5 will make your jaw drop. 1. SpaceX created its own superalloy to build rocket engines. To create engines that survive the intense heat and pressure of space travel, SpaceX didn't just use any old metal. They invented their own custom superalloy called SX300, a material more heat-resistant and stronger than traditional Inconel. But that's not even the most impressive part. They 3D print critical engine components with it. Super Draco, the powerful engine used in the Dragon capsule's escape system, is entirely 3D printed from this alloy. This innovation has helped SpaceX cut production costs, speed up manufacturing, and achieve feats that traditional aerospace companies are still dreaming about.
2. Starlink satellites can track ships and aircraft in real time. Everyone knows Starlink for bringing internet to rural and remote areas, but there's a hidden layer to this satellite network. Starlink is quietly equipped with AIS, Automatic Identification System, and ADS-B, Automatic Dependent Surveillance, broadcast, receivers. This means SpaceX can monitor the real-time movements of ships and airplanes anywhere on Earth, even in the middle of the ocean or above remote continents. It's a game-changer for aviation, shipping logistics, and even military reconnaissance. In fact, many believe Starlink could one day serve as a global backbone for autonomous transport systems and satellite surveillance. 3. The Raptor engine uses a NASA-abandoned design. The Raptor engine, which powers Starship, is based on a rocket design so complex that NASA abandoned it back in the 1960s. It's called the full-flow staged combustion cycle, and it pushes rocket science to the extreme. Most rocket engines use just one preburner, but Raptor uses 2, one for the fuel and one for the oxidizer. This results in unprecedented efficiency, higher thrust, and lower wear on components. While NASA and even the Russians tried to build engines like this and failed, SpaceX cracked the code. The Raptor engine is now one of the most advanced propulsion systems ever created.
4. Falcon 9 lands itself using only code, no human control. You've seen the spectacular landings, Falcon 9 descending from space and touching down perfectly on a drone ship in the ocean. But did you know that no human controls it? The entire landing sequence is executed autonomously, using onboard computers, real-time telemetry, GPS, and predictive algorithms. It corrects itself at hypersonic speeds, in real time, and has even landed with just 3 seconds of fuel left. There are no pilots, no remote commands, just incredibly sophisticated software doing the impossible over and over again. 5. SpaceX plans to mine the Moon and Mars. This sounds like sci-fi, but it's true. SpaceX is actively researching in-situ resource utilization, ISRU, the ability to extract and use materials from other planets. They've proposed methods to produce rocket fuel on Mars using CO2 from the atmosphere and water from underground ice. On the Moon, the idea is to use lunar regolith, the dust and rock, to create building materials for structures. They've even filed patents and begun early testing of fuel synthesis systems on Earth. SpaceX isn't just planning to land on other worlds, they're laying the groundwork for self-sustaining industries beyond Earth. SpaceX isn't just building rockets. They're engineering new materials, rewriting propulsion physics, and designing a future where humanity becomes an interplanetary species. These 5 secrets are just a glimpse into the wild, visionary world Elon Musk's team is building. If you're as fascinated by space as we are, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the unknown.